Truck is prepped, buds. Get over here. Little mud hole there, but we're good. Gonna be barbecue. Some will be soaking in civettas. Tommy's bringing pork chops. We're gonna wrap in bacon. And got beers on ice.
Mad Kosher.
Yo, what is up? Back again, Mad Kosher Vlog 16. It is a beautiful day out. What else will we be doing besides riding pit bikes? That's all I've been doing, but it's a pit bike summer. So we've got some new guys coming out today. Gonna hit up the Ritter Lane residence, do some mini motos. I know you're probably getting sick of the pit bikes. If you are, I'm sorry, but we're quarantined. And for 1,500 bucks, you can't have more fun than on a pit bike. Oops. So what I'm saying is more pit bike content's gonna be coming. If you don't like it, you should probably bail out now. But if you do like it, you should subscribe. Smash that button. Give me a like. Throw a comment on there if you like it. Fuck COVID-19. Media Pub shirts are live now via Instagram. I don't have a website set up yet, so just hit up the Media Pub Instagram, send me a DM, get you all set up. Because fuck COVID-19, man. Fuck. Between myself, my 6'6" uncle who rips, and my 56-year-old dad, put some work in, got this place looking mint. Here, man.
Good days and his
You need a
baby.
real shirt.
Oh shit. There we go.
Yeah. You need to rip in something real. Yeah, let's see it.
Yup.
There you go. Nice. Give me a spin.
Yeah.
Nice. Now you're a team player. You're part of the team.
All right. It's about time.
No.
This has not been my favorite.
Like, they're calling for snow possibly this week. Expensive. It's fucking 70 in a t-shirt, 50 in shorts.
I can't crack it on my head. I'm not strong enough, honey. Agenda.
Wow.
Thank you.
That was sick.
Thank you.
Sweet.
It works.
Ooh. This thing's mint, son.
Thank you.
Dude, you guys are making us look silly. Freshies. Oh, shit. Damn, son. Live action.
Live action.
Practice session's going off. guys, 50 years old. These guys are running with the young guns. Scott Giberson, all the way out of Lockport, New York, is ripping, absolutely shredding, putting serious lap times down on the course. Let's check back in.
I got it first kick, just so you know.
Wow.
I'm that good. I'm
You
freaking
probably smoke
talented.
everybody here.
I'm so talented.
So talented.
So talented.
Yeah! Little bit of whiskey. Ain't no problem. Oh God. Oh fuck. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Relax, relax.
Not
Damn.
only am I good at drinking beer, I can ride a dirt bike.
You ripped, dude.
I kill it. Let's go one more round.
Alright.
Can you get on a bike?
What?
Can you get on a bike and go with me?
Alright. You can't go wherever you want. You gotta ride the track, dude. That's how you take people out, fool.
Oh, you're telling me what to do.
You gotta stay on the course, fool.
Filming live action right there.
Live? Nice. Nice.
You get uncomfortable. You don't want to stab it, but you just like kind of ride on it and let off the throttle.
Didn't you say today is the first day you rode a dirt bike?
Yes.
Damn. Yeah. You got, I like your attitude.
Right. Oh, yeah.
First day out, he's trying to wheelie. He's like, all right, I figured out how to go around the corners. How do I pick it back?
Right. Yeah. Next time I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try.
I got blisters really bad, so I had to wear my flip-flops, but fuck, they hurt so bad. I gotta go barefoot now. Like a real pioneer woman.
All right, Tarzan.
So for whatever God reason, Ryan decided to leave me in charge of filming, so let's film.
Brakes his lever, second lap in.
Oh yeah, good.
We're
Good
good
one.
to go though. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Watch the dog. Watch the dog.
I need a White Claw break. We're good.
Oh, we're going. We're live, baby.
Fuck yeah. So dope.
Thanks for coming out, boys. Scott,
Oh yeah, thanks for having us.
you killed it, man.
Peace out.
See you later.
Later, doggy. Mad Kosher, Vlog 16. Out ya. Peace.